Finding time to exercise can be hard with a busy life. Work, school, family, and other activities often leave little time for fitness. But you don't need long hours or special gear to stay fit. A quick 10-minute workout, done regularly, can really help. You can do this at home with no equipment. In this video, we will show you a simple 10-minute full-body workout. It works many muscles, helps your heart, and increases your energy. It's for everyone and can be changed to fit your needs. Let's begin. Why a 10-minute workout? You might be wondering if 10 minutes is enough to make an impact on your fitness. The answer is yes. Short, intense workouts, often called high-intensity interval training, can deliver many of the same benefits as longer sessions. These quick workouts help you burn fat, build strength, and enhance overall health. The secret lies in the intensity. During these 10 minutes, you'll push yourself to your limits. This approach helps you burn calories, improve muscle tone, increase heart rate and cardiovascular fitness, and boost energy and mood. Plus, it requires no equipment, making it accessible anywhere, at home, in the office, or even on vacation. The workout structure. This 10-minute workout consists of 5 different exercises. Each exercise will be done for 45 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. After completing all 5 exercises, you'll repeat the circuit once more to make up the full 10 minutes. The exercises included in this workout target major muscle groups in the body: legs, arms, core, and chest. By working these areas in a short time, you'll get a full body workout without the need for equipment. You'll then repeat the entire circuit to complete the 10 minutes. Let's break down each exercise and its benefits. 1. Jumping jacks for 45 seconds. Jumping jacks are a great way to warm up and get your heart rate up. This simple move involves jumping to a stance with your legs wide apart while simultaneously raising your arms above your head, then returning to a standing position with your arms at your sides. Benefits: improves cardiovascular endurance, boosts coordination, works multiple muscles including the legs, arms, and core. How to do it. 1. Stand with your feet together and your arms at your sides. 2. Jump your feet out to the sides while raising your arms above your head. 3. Jump back to the starting position and repeat for 45 seconds. Focus on keeping a steady pace and maintaining proper form. If this is too intense, you can modify it by stepping one foot out at a time instead of jumping. 2. Push-ups for 45 seconds. Push-ups are a classic bodyweight exercise that strengthens the upper body, especially the chest, shoulders, and triceps. It also engages the core, making it a fantastic full-body exercise. Benefits: strengthens the chest, shoulders, and arms. Engages the core. Improves overall upper body strength. How to do it. 1. Start in a plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. 2. Lower your body until your chest is just above the ground. 3. Push back up to the starting position, keeping your body in a straight line. If you find push-ups too challenging, try doing them on your knees or against a wall. As you build strength, you can progress to full push-ups. 3. Squats for 45 seconds. Squats are one of the best exercises for working the lower body, particularly the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. They also engage the core and help improve balance and flexibility. Benefits: strengthens the legs and glutes, engages the core, improves lower body flexibility and balance. How to do it. 1. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed outward. 2. Bend your knees and lower your hips as if you're sitting back into a chair. 3. Keep your chest lifted and your core engaged. 4. Push through your heels to return to a standing position. For added difficulty, you can try adding a jump at the top of each squat, jump squats. If squats are too tough, try reducing the range of motion or holding onto a chair for support. 4. Plank for 45 seconds. The plank is an excellent core exercise that also strengthens the shoulders, back, and legs. It requires you to hold a static position, which engages the entire body and helps improve stability and posture. Benefits: strengthens the core, back, and shoulders. Improves stability and posture. Enhances endurance in the entire body. How to do it. 1. Start in a push-up position but lower your forearms to the ground. 2. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. 3. Hold this position for 45 seconds without letting your hips sag or rise. If holding the plank for 45 seconds is too challenging, you can modify it by holding it on your knees or taking short breaks. The goal is to build up your core strength over time. 5. Lunges for 45 seconds. Lunges are a great lower body exercise that works the quads, hamstrings, and glutes while also engaging the core. They help improve balance and coordination and can be modified to suit any fitness level. Benefits: strengthens the legs and glutes, improves balance and coordination, engages the core. How to do it: 1. Stand with your feet together. 2. Step one foot forward and lower your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. 3. Push back to the starting position and repeat on the other leg. For added intensity, you can try jumping lunges, where you switch legs in the air between each lunge. If lunges are too difficult, you can hold on to a wall or chair for balance. Tips: this workout is designed to be accessible for all fitness levels, ensuring that everyone can participate and benefit from it. If you're new to exercise or returning after a break, it's crucial to listen to your body and make necessary modifications. Start by going at your own pace. If you feel the need to slow down or take breaks, that's perfectly fine. Focus on maintaining good form rather than rushing. If any exercises feel too challenging, don't hesitate to use the suggested modifications, such as performing push-ups on your knees or reducing the range of motion in squats. Proper form is essential to prevent injuries, so keep your core engaged and avoid hurrying through the movements. Lastly, consistency is key. Even if 10 minutes seems brief, committing to this workout regularly can lead to impressive results over time, helping you build strength and endurance gradually. Cool down and stretch. After your 10-minute workout, taking time to cool down and stretch is essential for preventing soreness and enhancing flexibility. A proper cool down helps your body transition back to a resting state, reducing the risk of injury. Start with a hamstring stretch by sitting on the floor, legs extended, and reaching for your toes. Next, try the quad stretch by standing on one leg and pulling the opposite foot toward your glutes. Finally, perform a shoulder stretch by bringing one arm across your chest and gently pulling it closer with the opposite hand. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply to encourage muscle relaxation. In conclusion, you can accomplish a full-body workout in just 10 minutes, targeting all major muscle groups without any equipment. This routine is perfect for those with busy schedules, traveling, or wanting a quick yet effective session. Consistency is essential. Committing just 10 minutes daily can enhance your strength, fitness, and energy levels. If you found our video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more great content and updates. Thank you. Also, check out this video.